Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Jio Data Loan service effectively. This essential feature helps you stay connected even when your data balance is zero, ensuring uninterrupted online activity. You can access up to 5 emergency data packs, each providing 1 GB, which is incredibly useful for urgent needs. We will cover eligibility, how to request, and the simple repayment process, so you are always prepared. Requesting a data loan is straightforward using the My Jio app. Simply open the application, head to the Mobile Services section, and locate the Emergency Data Loan option. From there, you will see the choice to proceed and select Get Emergency Data. Just a few taps, and 1 GB of high-speed data will be instantly added to your account, ready for immediate use. Each activated emergency data pack gives you 1 GB of data, which remains valid until your current active prepaid plan expires. There is no separate validity for the loan data itself, making it very convenient for immediate use. You can borrow up to a total of 5 separate 1 GB packs, providing ample flexibility. This ensures you have enough data to cover your essential online needs until you can recharge your primary plan. Repaying your emergency data loan is just as simple as requesting it. Within the My Jio application, return to the Emergency Data Loan section. Here, you will find the Clear Dues option, allowing you to settle your outstanding balance. You can pay for one or all of your borrowed packs using your preferred online payment method. Prompt repayment ensures you can continue to use this valuable service whenever you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.